If you want successful email marketing, the first step is building a quality email list. Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to build an email list in Brevo using sign-up forms, contact imports, and list management tools. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to grow your audience the right way. Start by opening the Brevo website and signing in to your account. Once the dashboard loads, head over to the Contacts section. This is where you'll create and organize all of your email lists. Inside the Contacts section, create a new contact list. Give it a clear and descriptive name, like newsletter subscribers or customers, so it's easy to recognize later as your audience continues to grow. Now it's time to add subscribers. You can enter contacts manually, upload a spreadsheet file, or import contacts from another supported source. Just make sure every person on your list has given permission to receive your emails. That's an important part of responsible email marketing. Next, create a sign-up form to collect new subscribers automatically. Open the Forms section and build a form asking for information, such as a name and email address. Once it's ready, you can embed it on your website or share it through other channels to attract new subscribers. As your audience grows, you'll want to keep everything organized. Use tags, attributes, or segments to group subscribers based on their interests, location, purchase history, or other information. This makes it much easier to send targeted email campaigns. Finally, review your email list on a regular basis. Remove invalid email addresses, manage unsubscribes, and keep your contact information updated. Maintaining a clean list helps improve email deliverability and keeps your engagement rates healthier over time. And that's it. You've now learned how to build an email list in Brevo in 2026. With a well-organized contact list and an effective sign-up form, you'll be ready to grow your audience and send better email campaigns. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Brevo and email marketing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.